I started as a single image, just pixels on a screen. But with the Artlist AI Toolkit, I came back to life.
Your favorite characters reimagined in completely new ways.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today, we become the director. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reimagine your favorite character in completely new ways using the AI toolkit within Artlist. First things first, deciding on who you want to direct. Maybe yourself, a fan favorite character, or even a friend. The choice is yours. I'm going to start with this image. Then let's head on over to Artlist. Of course, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. Artlist is a one-stop shop for all things creation. Once inside, just come on over to AI Toolkit at the very top. I'm going to come over to a previous session on the left-hand side where I just made all the magic happen. What I love about the AI Toolkit is that everything happens within the same place. There is no need to platform hop. First things first, I'm going to come over to the bottom and click on the image selection. Then I'm going to upload my image. All right, I've got my image uploaded, and then here's my prompt. Make the background green screen, remove the nail gun, and have the character look directly at the camera. Slight variation in pose. I'm going to go with Nano Banana 2. Just having a look at the other image models, we have all the heavy hitters in here. Dream 5.0, Kling 3.0, Nano Banana Pro, and the list goes on. We're going to go with Nano Banana 2, which is currently the newest image model on Artlist at this time. 16:9, 2K, and then 4 images. Let's go ahead and click on generate. Here we go. Here is one of our images. Right away, this is looking scary realistic. Here's another generation as well. And then we have one more for good measure. For the next step, we're going to replicate our favorite image out of that bunch. I'm actually going to click on upload image, and we're going to go with choose from my creations. I'm going to pick my favorite one. So let's go with this top left one. We have our favorite image uploaded. Then I'm going to punch in this prompt. So essentially, I want to completely change the pose and the environment. So going with a confident man sitting on a stool, leaning slightly forward, elbows resting on his knees, hands clasped together in front of his face with index fingers touching his lips in a thoughtful steeple gesture. Then I have some more details as well. By the way, all the prompts that I use today are going to be found in the description below. You are welcome to take those and make them yours. Let's submit. Here's one of my generations, and this is the exact kind of look that I was going for. Very happy with the look, with the vibe. I'm going to use this as a reference image. I'm going to keep my character the same, but I'm going to replace the background for multiple different shots. For the different environments, I'm going to go with the moon, downtown New York, and the beach. Here's my first one. I uploaded that exact image as a reference image, and all I said was replace the background with New York City, like he's sitting on a busy sidewalk downtown Manhattan. Next up, we've got the beach, got the jungle on the left, and the ocean on the right. Now, how about the moon with the beautiful earth in the background? Maybe we want more close-up shots. So here's a close-up of our character on the beach, back over to downtown New York. And for the last one, a close-up of the moon with the beautiful earth in the background. Now, how about a standing close-up in a neon-lit Tokyo street corner? It is time to create our video generations. With the video option selected, we can come down here and select our video model. In my case, I'm going to go with Kling 3.0, which supports start and end frame, audio, 1080p, and up to 15 seconds. As you can see, we've got all the heavy hitter models in here. Theo 3.1, Kling 03, Sora 2 Pro, Sora 2, Kling 2.6 Pro. Let's quickly select Kling 3.0. Gonna select the start frame. I'm gonna come on over to choose from our creations. I'm gonna use one of the original generations from before. And then it is as easy as directing our character with our prompt and telling it exactly what to say. Kling 3.0, I'm gonna make sure audio is selected, which includes special effects and voices in our video. And we're gonna choose the duration of our video, and then I'm going to go with pro quality. It is as easy as punching that in.
I started as a single image, just pixels on a screen. But with the Artlist AI Toolkit, I came back to life.
In order to create all the different scenes, it is as easy as reprompting, but we just need to ensure that we change the reference image each and every time. In my case, pretty much using the exact same prompt for each and every generation.
I started as a single image, just pixels on a screen. But with the Artlist AI Toolkit, I came back to life.
Your favorite characters reimagined in completely new ways.
If you want to try this out for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Artlist in the description and pinned comment below as always. Just a reminder on that, Artlist is home to the newest AI models on the market today, along with AI voiceover, royalty-free music, special effects, footage, templates, and much, much more. With all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.